But men question him because surrender costs something. Jesus still walks among us today, not calming seas but troubled hearts, not confronting demons alone, but confronting unbelief, fear, and pride. The lesson is clear. Faith is not about seeing more signs. It's about yielding to what has already been revealed. Blessed are those who do not need storms to stop or demons to speak before they bow. Because the greatest miracle is not that nature obeyed him, but that a human heart finally does.